Hey guys, how's it going? So today I've got something that I've ordered off Amazon. I'm going to do a review of. It's a travel pillow. So I'm going to be going abroad soon, and I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling at night time on the plane. So I need a good pillow, which will allow me to get some rest. So I saw this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to it. I thought I'd do a quick review of it as well. So let's see what it's like. It comes in its own carrying bag, travel bag. Open it up and see what's inside. We open it. It's got a zip on the back here, so you can actually remove the outside cover and give it a wash. And it's got this toggle on the front here, so you can basically tighten it up around your neck, and it gives you good support. It's nice, a soft material. It's just like a it's like a suede material, very soft. This inside looks like it's some type of breathable material. So yeah, looks very nice, good quality. So this is what it looks like from the front and the side. I noticed actually it's got a pocket here for a mobile phone. So you can put your mobile phone in there, have your headphones connected, and it's quite a deep pocket. So you can see here, using my power bank as an example, it's about the same size as the phone. It fits in the pocket very well. And yeah, it doesn't really affect, this is where your neck and your head will be, so it doesn't really affect that bit that much, so you wouldn't really feel it there, so it's actually quite good. That kind of like suede, soft suede material, and like a breathable fabric into the inside. So here I am testing out the pillow while sitting on a chair. So this is just to see how it fits around my neck and how comfortable it feels. Overall, I can say it's very, very comfortable. I even have a small beard, and it's actually comfortable even with my beard as well. It doesn't get sweaty and it breathes very, very easily. The material is very nice and it's very firm at the same time. So you can rest your head against it and it still gives support to your neck. So I've actually tested this while I went abroad a couple of weeks ago, and the pillow works really, really well. I managed to get some good sleep on the plane, so I definitely recommend this. If you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any other products that you'd like to see me review, then please let me know in the comments below. I have a lot more content planned, so please subscribe for more.